And the topic of the debate was liberalization has given birth to violence in society. Full stop. पहले तो मेरे को टॉपिक का मतलब समझ नहीं आया, ठीक है. तो मैंने सुनना शुरू किया and this girl got up who was for the topic and she defined the topic very nicely and I was like, okay, oh cool, okay, that's what it means, all right. So okay, so what do you have to say? And then she gave this lovely 2.5-3 minute speech about why liberalization has caused violence in society. And I was like, तो सही कह रही है यार. अब ये अगेंस्ट वाले क्या बोलेंगे? दे कांट हैव एनी आर्ग्यूमेंट अगेंस्ट हर. बट वो अगेंस्ट का बंदा उठता है और उसने अपनी 3 मिनट की स्पीच दे दी. मैंने बोला यार ये भी राइट है, ये कैसे हो गया? हाउ कैन दीज टू पीपल बी राइट एट द सेम टाइम? एंड देन आई एम एनग्रॉस्ड, नाउ आई एम हुक्ड. सेकंड फोर्थ पर्सन गेट्स अप, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहा है वो भी. अगेन अगेंस्ट में कोई उठता है, वो भी सही बोल रहा है. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक माय गॉड, नाउ इट्स लाइक वाचिंग अ थ्रिलर फिल्म. व्हिच साइड विल विन? Because clearly liberalization has caused violence in society and clearly liberalization has not caused violence in society. Okay, so clearly someone is right, someone has to be. That's the point of a debate, right? It goes on, it goes on, goes on, and I'm blown. And then this guy gets up who is against the topic. He's from Doon School. And Doon School और Welham Boys की यार मतलब their natural rivalry है ना. तो ये बंदा उठता है, अक्षित बत्रा his name is. वो उठता है और वो कहते हैं कि यू नो आई एम सिटिंग ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ द टेबल, आई बीन हियरिंग ऑल ऑफ यू स्पीक हु आर फॉर द टॉपिक एंड आई एग्री, यू आर राइट. You ma'am, when you said this, he had made notes of what all each of them had said. That you, when you said this, you're right. And when you said this, you're right. And उसका 1.5 मिनट तो निकल गया स्पीच का in just agreeing with all these people on the other side. And I was like, अरे दून स्कूल के लोग तो होते ही पागल हैं. He said, but you know, my only issue is with all of you sitting there is that I think you have not read the topic properly. Liberalization has given birth to violence in society. Birth, he said, birth. What does the word birth mean? Birth means something that does not exist comes into existence. He said, so what you all are saying is that before liberalization took place, there was never violence in society. But there was. There was always violence as far back as you look in human history. So clearly, I agree that liberalization has caused violence in these instances that you've mentioned, but it's not given birth to the idea of violence. उसने ये बोला, वो भाई बैठ गया. एक भी रिबटल नहीं, सब चुप, मैं चुप. मैंने बोला ये क्या किया इसने यार? He won best speaker, he walked away with the trophy. Definitely. And he left a dent in my head and in my life where I realized, man, it's all in here. It's all about the way you see the world. It's not what everybody else is saying. तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो?